Well, good afternoon to the students of class 10 Information Technology. This is your Devdev sir, your computer teacher. A warm welcome to you all for the third lecture in which we will be discussing about the session 4th and 5th of your today's class. Okay, so without further ado, let's start our class. So as I told you, today we'll be discussing session 4 and 5. This is your third lecture. So in session 4 and 5, what we have in store for you today? We will be discussing about outing. So first of all, I would like you all to stress on the word, what is outing? What is the meaning of outing? Outing is basically a word that pertains to an excursion. So I will write here, outing refers to excursion. So any form of excursion that you have planned, it is what? Outing. Okay, that is basically what we call outing. All right, is it clear? Now, like there are certain phrases I would like you all to take a note. Let us go for an outing, let us go for picnic, let us go to the movies. So let and then how, shall, these are the words or phrases basically we will use for an outing. So let is one, how is one, shall is one. Okay, phrases that we are using for an outing, please keep in mind. Okay, now here we will have a brief use of what we say pronouns. So pronoun, now tell me, what is a pronoun? Pronouns are the words that are used before a noun. So what is the meaning of pronoun? Pronoun so those words which are used with a noun, they are known as pronoun. Okay, so basically then what it means, those words that are used with a noun, that is called pronoun. Like see some example, I hurt myself, the music group called themselves, himself. These are the pronouns. So keep a note of this. Himself, themselves. These are some pronouns. I am not writing all the list, but these are some major pronouns that are there. Now identify the correct use of pronoun. Mitali and I went to the cafe to buy us some snacks. Is it okay? Us is correct? Yes, it is not at all correct. It is incorrect. So in place of us, it will be ourselves. When I saw me in the mirror, instead of me, what it will be, children? Myself. When I saw myself in the mirror. Did you learn typing yourself? It's okay. When he saw was so unexpected that he pinched himself. Again, instead of him, it will be himself. So this is quite fairly simple. You all will be able to do it, I believe. So 5, 6, 7, 8 will be your homework. Please do it. Now we have some assessment exercise that we have to ponder upon. Like the first being, fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. Except Ruhi and dash, everyone else arrived late at the movie. Except Ruhi, me, myself. So it will be me. Ravi was very helpful dash to dash when we were trekking in the mountain. Helpful to us because it is a group that has been spoken about. We really enjoyed dash on the trip. We really enjoyed ourselves. So it will be us, me, ourselves. Okay, these are the answers. Please tally. His friends did not appreciate himself going to the fair alone. It's incorrect. So it will be his. That means his friend did not welcome his presence at the fair. So the answer will be his. Please bring some cotton for your ears if you don't want to be bored by continuous chatter on the trim. Bored by him. So it will be him. As our driver had fever, Naman and Dash offered to drive the car rest of the journey. Naman and I. One of Dash will have to speak to the travel agent and make arrangements for the trip. So it will be your is incorrect here. So what will be the answer? You. So one of you. We must reach the airport on time or else Dash will miss the flight. Or else it's quite fairly simple. It will be we. It was Dash who wanted to go to the mountain instead of the beach. So himself is incorrect here. So the answer will be he. It was he who wanted because it was his wish, the first person's wish. Now narrating a story. Whenever you narrate a story, it must be kept in mind the narration of a story is always done in simple past. Sorry, I missed out here. Two of the group members, including Dash, have offered to make food and travel arrangement. It will be him. So what was I saying? It is always in simple past, that is narrating a story. So there are some narrated stories given here below. So if you go through the story, that one evening an old tribal told about the battle, okay, this narration is totally in simple past. So some example of simple past that are given. My grandmother loved to narrate the story, loved this simple past. I used this simple past. So these phrases you have to remember. Okay? I left off, I would pester. Now this is future. I would pester. I don't know. I enjoyed is again past. Okay, so this is present. The journey exhausted me. I had, this is past. So this basically in this session you'll be learning about the different forms of tenses. That is what we will be learning. Okay? Now, do you remember the difference between the tenses? Like, my grandmother loved to narrate the story. So, what form of sentence it was? It was simple past. So, you have to identify now what form of tense it is. This will be again your homework. I've already spoken in just about it. Now, we have to take from the assessment which one of the following are simple past. Seema visiting aunt at her house near the beach. Visited aunt at her house near the beach last weekend. And visit. Visit is totally present. Visiting is present continuous. So simple past will be visited. It were a beautiful summer day. It was a beautiful summer day. Simple past will be it was. Okay. It always will be it was. Now, Seema building a giant sand castle on the beach. Build. Here you must remember that building, built and built. Okay. So it will be built because built is the simple past form. So the answer will be built. Aunt Rekha took pictures of the castle. Take pictures of the castle or taking. Take is a present action. Taking is a present continuous action. And took is the simple past action. Seema wanted to play on the beach and build another sandcastle. So wanted and wanting. Wanting is a present continuous activity. Want is a present activity, perfect present. And wanted is a past. But soon it has become very hot outside. But soon it became and becomes. So it will be became, because you know that already in degree of comparison that became is always past. So there are some tricks by which you can identify it too. Aunt Rekha advised Seema to wear a hat. Aunt Rekha advising Seema to wear a hat, and advises. So which one do you think will be correct? The answer would be number A. But Seema does not have a hat. Seema did not have a hat. Seema didn't have a hat. It will be did not. So Aunt Rekha, which one will be correct? Gave, giving, or gives? It will be gave. Because again, according to the degree of comparison, it is perfect past. Seema wearing the hat and made another sandcastle. Wearing is present continuous, wears is present, wore is past. Okay? Now, adjective and adverb. What do you know about these two? Adjective and adverb. Adjective is used to describe a verb action, and adverb is used before a verb. Okay? So, if you have any queries, adjective describes a verb, whereas adverb actions of a verb. Okay? Now normally if you see adjectives as they are describing, so they can describe here cities, they can describe traffic, building. That means it is able to describe any real world entity. Okay? So read out the following phrase on describing the combine the phrase so as to form a paragraph. So using adjectives, I would like you all to solve this as well. Please solve and show it in your computer copy how you are describing Nainital as a beautiful city. Okay, so similar examples are given here. We will do this assessment. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the given options. I dash moved to a new city. So what it will be? I recently moved to a new city. I now live dash in the heart of Delhi. It will be comfortable and comfortably. Which one it will be? Comfortably. My house is a dash 2-bedroom flat in Mayur. Spaceful or spacious? Which one is the correct adverb? It is spacious. I live here with my dash friend, best friend. There is a history or historical. Which one is the correct word? It is historical. When I first moved to Delhi, I found the city to be noisy. Now that I have lived here for a couple of years, I can't imagine moving back to my small town. Delhi is the capital of India and is well connected. Yes, it will be well. I hope you are tallying the answers in the meantime. Mayur Lok is one of the best. One of the. So this phrase one of the is used. If whenever you will come across this kind of phrase, make sure it will be a superlative degree. Area is well maintained and planned beautifully. Okay, so with this we come to an end of today's lecture. There are some home assignments that are given that you all have to solve. Please do that needful, and at the end, for any doubts and queries, please do resolve your doubts. And student, time and again I'm telling you, it's needless to tell you that you must make sure that you resolve your doubts time and again, day wise, because if you are keeping your doubts pended, then it will not be resolved on the future. So therefore I would request all of you to resolve the doubts at the earliest. With that, I would like to end my class today here. Thank you for watching.